In this video, we're going to show you how to make this Plumeria Hawaiian centerpiece. And this just turns out gorgeous. And I think this video is really going to help you see how easy it is. Begin making the Plumeria blossoms by putting your Xerox copy on top of 2 pieces of fabric right sides together, and then put it on top, and then batting, thin batting. Sew on the outside solid line, cut on the outside dash line and the middle, and you'll have this. And then you take your paper out, even out of the little seams, and turn it right side out through the opening. And then we're going to dry brush the color of the Plumeria, and then we're going to do little tucks on the side, because the Plumeria kind of rolls like that. And we'll show you what the next part of it will look like, all colored. Now to add the color to the Plumeria, here we've got it all turned and pressed, and I've put a little acrylic paint on some paper towels. It's called dry brushing. This is a very stiff stencil brush. I'm just going to put a little bit of paint in that brush, and I get it really, really dry by bouncing it on a paper towel till it's almost dry. And then I can go and bounce. The drier it is, the finer the little fibers put down that color and make it kind of soft and smooth. And I'm going to go around with pink, try to bring it out. I want little white edges, and just look on the internet for ideas of colors for the Plumeria. There are so many beautiful colors combinations where you might not want to start with a white. You might want to start with a blue or a pink, and you can see how this brush was wetter here and drier here. You can see the effect of a dry brush. Okay, anyway, then I'm gonna get it really, really dry, put a little bit of yellow. Probably would have finished all the pink first, and then I'm gonna put yellow in the middle, which will really pop it, right? It's just gonna look beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, and then after I let it dry, begin by Xeroxing your pattern 5 times, 5 lefts and 5 rights, and tape them down the middle. And then place it on top of 2 pieces of fabric that are right sides together, and thin polyester bonded batting. One fabric will be the small leaf, and the other fabric will be the large leaf. Then we're going to cut it out on the outside dash line, and we're going to remove the paper. And when we sewed it, we left it open right here for turning. And then we'll take the paper out and turn it right side out through that opening, and make sure everything's pressed. Now, once each of the units has been completed and I've darted it, I will put 2 together, and I'll take my pattern and with a pencil just mark that seam line. And it's kind of important because look how it's kind of different here, how it comes in. It doesn't go to the V. And then I'm going to sew it, and I'll put all 5 units together like this, and you can just leave it like that if you want. But of course the Plumeria are all done, and right where these meet is I'm going to put the middle of the back of it right there, and sew it down tight so that the flower will come up the side of the jar, and it just turns out great. We'll show you it finished next. Now we've sewn on our little Plumeria blossoms. They're climbing up that jar, and they look so cute as they cluster around. And just have fun with the colors. Watch that there's not too much competition in these 2, and you will have just a beautiful centerpiece. And I hope you enjoyed this. Come visit us on our website. This is just a $2 download. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Click the circle to subscribe to our YouTube, then click the bell to receive notification on our newly released videos. We would love to see your finished creations. Send them to us through Facebook or Pinterest.